Sorry guys, camera's turning. How y'all doing? Cynthia here, and I'm back. Thank you so much for your well wishes and having patience with me. My husband and I have definitely recovered from the flu. It was, and actually still is, going around our school. And kids are sick, teachers are sick. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, but we are feeling so much better. So thank you guys again, and thank you so much for your patience with me not doing any videos. But I just felt like coughing all over the camera was probably not a good idea. So anyway, today I'm making these cute, isn't this cute? I love this paper, flip lid gift boxes. Now I've made this box before, but I did it for my Halloween series, and I made it into a mommy gift box. And not a lot of people watch Halloween videos, so I'm gonna do some of my Halloween projects with everyday paper. And I thought I might do some of my Christmas ones as well, because not everybody watches the holiday videos. So anyway, I used for this box here from the Paper Studio. It's called Bee's Crafting Kit, and I've used this before, and it comes with these really pretty papers and a whole 25-piece ephemera, and then an alpha sticker, and then the stickers here. And I got this at Hobby Lobby, so that's what we're using today. And let's get started. So you're going to need a sheet that measures 9 by 7, and you want to put it in your scoreboard at the 9-inch. And we're going to score at 1, 4, 5, and 8. Flip it and line it up at the 7-inch mark and score at 1, 2, and 6 inches. And we're going to fold up our score lines. And of course, I'm making a video, so my cats have to get in on it. I'm sure you just heard that meow. That's my cat Sherlock. And yes, I'm a big mystery reader. I love a good mystery movie and books. And we named our cats Sherlock and Dr. Watson. Sherlock Holmes. And of course, you know, I always call him Baby Boo, and instead of Dr. Watson, I just call him Boom Boom Watson. I don't know, you know, it's like I have all these little pet names for their actual, but it's very rare I call him Sherlock. But anyway, okay, so you should have something that looks like this, and what we're gonna do is the double inch one right up here. We have two 1-inch sections. This is actually going to be our lid, and the 1-inch section down here is going to be the bottom of our box. So I want you to cut the right hand corner off. So follow your score lines and just cut this little piece off right there. And then we're going to move up to the double 1-inch sections, and we're going to cut this section off and this section off right here. Just follow your score lines. So you should end up with something that looks like this. So at the bottom of our box again, what we're going to do is cut up on our score lines to meet up with the next one to create this tab here. You should have a center tab and then an end tab here. And you're going to turn your box around and you're going to cut up on this score line to meet up with the next one. Cut up on this score line to meet up with the next one. And you should have 2 tabs on this side. Flip it around and you're going to do the same thing right here. Cut up on this score line and this score line. And you'll have 2 tabs on this side. This is our lid, and we're going to be joining these together to create the lid. But before we do that, I'm going to fold this flap in, and I'm going to add some adhesive. So I hope y'all are doing well. It is, besides flu time in my area, it is also the start of hurricane season, and so we're getting all prepared for that. You know, getting our extra batteries and canned goods and storing up water and things like that. Okay, so you should have your box already, and we're going to put the bottom together. So you're just going to fold these 2 flaps in, fold this one down. I'm going to add some adhesive or glue to this flap here, and you're just going to fold it closed like that. Now, this is the lid, and we're going to join this tab to this tab here, like that. And you want to take your time doing this because you want it fairly precise. You don't want it wonky. I'm going to use my bone folder, push down, and then we're going to join these 2 tabs here. So anyway, we're getting ready for hurricane season, and we have like a big tub in our house, like a little storage tub, where we have all the extra batteries and canned goods and water and things like that. Okay, so that's our lid, and it just fits on nice and snug this way. You can leave it like this, or you can trim these sides here, which I like to do. And I basically just make an angle cut right like this. So I'm going to go in, line it up, and trim that off. Same thing on this side. Go in right here at the corner, angle my scissors to the opposite corner, and trim that off. You don't have to do that. It's just something I like to do. So this is our box, and now we're going to mat it. So your front mat and your back mat, those pieces measure 3 7/8, 3 7/8 high by 2 7/8 wide. So anyway, we're getting ready for that, and I heard there might be a tropical storm brewing out there. So we will see what happens. It's due to come in Friday or Saturday here. So we shall see. Okay, so that's the back of our box, and I'm going to mat the front. Again, it's 3 7/8 by 2 7/8. if the winds do get too high with the tropical storms, they cancel school. So we'll find out what happens. And I know our 5th graders won't be happy because I think they have their 5th grade dance on Friday. I'm not sure, but they'll just reschedule it for them. Okay, so that's the front. And now you're going to need 3 pieces to mat the front, the top, and the bottom here. Those pieces measure 3 7/8 by 7/8. Just going to press that down. So that's the front. Do the top and then the bottom. And then we only have our sides to finish up. I use a tweezer to mat my boxes sometimes because my big thumbs get in the way and I can't see to really make sure it's on there even. So sometimes a pair of tweezers really comes in handy. So if you're newer to crafting, you may want to, you could find these at your local craft store, but they really do come in handy and they really help for things like this. Okay, so now we're going to mat our 2 long sides here. And those pieces measure 3 7/8 by 7/8. I'm going to try and do it without my tweezers, see if I can get it done. I did it. Woo woo. Sorry, I'm so silly. Anyway, our school days are winding down, but we only have a couple days and we start summer school already. So, and as a lot of you know that have been watching my videos, my hubby and I are working summer school this year. I will still remain in pre-K, and he's a PE teacher right now, but he'll be teaching kindergarten for summer school. So that should be fun, something different. And like on this box, I just used one of the stickers and I put it on white cardstock and I cut it out, and then I used one of the ephemera pieces for the flower and I backed it up with navy blue cardstock, and I did the same thing here. This was a ephemera piece, Be Kind, and I put it up on foam dots and backed it up with the navy blue cardstock just so it would kind of make it pop a little. Just going to add some glue and put that right there on the front. I'm going to flip it over and use my bone folder to kind of press it down. And that's it, guys. That's our little gift box, treat box. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And I am getting prepped I did say I would come back and do a tutorial on this simple paper bag album. I actually made another one the other day. This says, make each day a story worth telling. So the fronts are similar, and I am getting ready to getting everything cut out and prepared to do the tutorial for you. So I will be back. I'm just going to page through this one really quick for you. But I will be back to do this easy paper bag tutorial. And they have the pull mats on the top. And then each pocket has a tag and then a flip book for more photos. So I just got this one done the other day, like I said, and I am cutting all the papers up now and prepping so that we can do one together this weekend. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you give these a try. Let me know if you do. And take care. Happy crafting.